Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I was actually able to get some time off of work, so I'm back down here in South Carolina. I'm going to be hunting for Angustidens shark teeth today. It is super hot already. It's already like 90 degrees and it's only 9 o'clock. So definitely going to be a hot one today, but I guarantee you guys are going to find some awesome shark teeth. So I'm going to start digging and then I'll let you guys know what I find. Alright guys, so no shark teeth yet, but just uncovered an incredibly well preserved fish vertebra from the Chandler Bridge Formation. So I believe this one is approximately around 27 to 29 million years old. Incredibly well preserved. It's just got so much detail. Very, very nice fish vertebra. Incredible. Look at that. Hopefully we can get a big old fat Angustidens to go with it, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I came across a tiny little perfect lower Hemiprystis Sarah. It's usually found the uppers on the Hemiprystis, so finding a lower is a little bit more rare. And this one is in perfect shape. Look at that. Shoo! Perfect. It's a beauty. The teeth are small, but they are really nice. Alright guys, so a couple small little verts here. Really good condition. There's one. And I think we got another one right up there. So, two nice shark vertebra. Really well preserved. Let's see if we can get a big tooth now. Alright guys, I've finally eyeballed a really good looking Angustidens. So we're going to pop it out here. Oh, there it is. Alright. There's a tooth. Let's wash it up a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that Angustidens. Heck yeah. That is nice. Shoo! Look at that tooth, guys. Man, beauty. I was waiting for something like this. Not huge, but man, it's a gem. Really nice Angustidens. Look at those serrations. A little bit of tip ding. Looks like feeding damage. But man, beauty. Check that out. Beautiful tooth. Oh yeah. Super glossy. Alright, got a real good screen here, guys. Check that Angustidens out. Ooh, man. Shoo! Look at that Angustidens. That thing is perfect. Every single serration. Got both the cusps. Beautiful tooth. That is what I'm here for. Absolutely flawless. Chandler Bridge Angustidens. Absolutely beautiful. Dang, look at those serrations. Shoo! Awesome little tooth. And got one more. Got a Hemiprystis down there. If I can grab it. There it is. There's the Hemi. Nice one. Good serrations on that one as well. But that is pretty much it, guys. Little piece of bone, but good handful there. Awesome. We'll keep them coming. Alright guys, so new site, hunting a little bit at night. I was able to get some sleep and I'm back out here. It's really hot during the day, so it makes it a lot easier hunting at night. But I'm just working on surface collecting right now, and came across what looks like to be a piece of petrified wood just laying out in the open. Don't even have to dig for it. Awesome. So will definitely wash up really nice, but it's got some good colors on it already. Sweet. Good way to start the night. Real nice piece of petrified wood. You can see all those little grooves and indentations in it. I'll show you what it looks like when it's dry. It'll be really pretty. Alright guys, so I've been digging out here for quite a while. Haven't been finding anything. All this dirt here is overburden. It's non-phosphorus. No fossils in it. I was about to leave this hole, and then I pulled up, or just was digging this back here, and check this out, guys. Check out that tooth right there. Let's grab it. Just popped it out. What do we got? I think it's a Mako shark tooth. Sorry if it is blurry a little bit, guys. It is super humid out. But let's go wash that bad boy off. Now I think I'm going to stay in that spot a little bit more, because that is the first tooth of the night. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Good colors on that. Sweetness. A little worn overall, but man, I'll take that any day. That is a Mako from MrMakoMeCrazy. Shoo! Nice one. Let's see if we can get another one. Or a big old Meg, hopefully. I'll keep you posted, guys. Check it out, nature shot, guys. Looks like we got a little froggy. See him? Pretty cool little guy. Holy crap, guys. Man, I've been digging all day today. Haven't found really anything. Couple small teeth. But holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's got the tip. Oh my gosh. This is why I come down here. This right here is worth all the work and all the driving. Tons and tons of dirt I shovel in order to find these teeth. And when you finally do find them, man, it is worth it. Golly. Look at that tooth, guys. Super sharp. Perfect, actually. I think it's just perfect. I don't see any nicks and serrations. Sharp as a knife. Shoo! Golly. Insane. This is why we do it. Teeth like this. Holy crap. That is a beautiful Angustidens shark tooth from the Chandler Bridge Formation in South Carolina. That is amazing. Alright guys, so here are the gems from the trip. I'll start off with this really interesting looking fish vertebra. Check that one out. Insane preservation and detail on this one. Check that out. Crazy. Pretty cool find. Also have some beautiful looking Angustidens. We'll take a look at this one. Spent many hours trying to find high quality teeth like this, and I finally did. Really nice tooth. Just perfect. There isn't anything wrong with it. It's got every single serration, both cusps, the tip, all the root, flawless. Super nice. This one's also really nice. Small but perfect. Incredible. And a couple really nice hemipristis or snaggletooth shark teeth down there. Coming up here we have a piece of petrified wood. Really pretty colors on it. It's still a little bit damp, so when it dries out we'll be able to see all the crystal structures on it. But unique piece of petrified wood. Pretty cool. It's awesome you can find petrified wood with shark teeth, like in the same locations. Pretty cool. And finally, got a Mako shark tooth. Really pretty here as well. Check out those colors. Very pretty. Shoo! But that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave me a like and also comment and subscribe if you haven't already. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you next time.